Hello, my name is Darly Ginette Cifuentes-Gutierrez. I am studying Business Administration, Technology and Effects on the Environment. As for the positive, we can say that access to the Internet and the use of technology, media, and social networks have made people more informed about today. This has reached such a point that a large percentage of the population generated monetary income thanks to technology, memes, and the Internet, such as social networks, among others. As for the negative effect of technology and the impact on the environment is devastating. Single irreparable damage has been produced, such as climate change and the war. This change on the environment generates serious consequences such as deforestation, the appearance of new diseases, and irreparable damage to nature. My recommendation is to end excessive consumerism and overexploitation of our planet. I can contribute to the improvement of the environmental pieces of water recycling. This can be applied to the general population by making people aware of how much we help our planet be recycled. In most cities of the world, they offer garbage containers which are different by color according to the need that arises when recycling. Similarly, regional autonomous corporations also carry out recycling days where household items that we no longer use are collected, such as computers, cell phones, printers, refrigeration, etc. As for this campaign, what we can do is participation activity and this contribute to the environment. Thank you.